Welcome everyone to the Bald and Bearded channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to opt in for receiving gift memberships within your favorite YouTube communities. It's important to know that this setting is not universal and you must opt in on each channel. There are a few ways to do this, and we'll start with instructions from the chat of a live stream or video premiere. You'll notice an alert in the chat if someone has purchased a gift membership. Then you can click on the Allow Gifts prompts, which will open another window where you'll be able to toggle the opt-in button for that channel. Again, this is only for that specific channel. The same process can be done by clicking on the gift alert in the chat header, but both of these methods are only available for as long as those alerts remain visible. That being said, there is a more reliable option that I suggest you take. The channel must still be live streaming or doing a video premiere, but you can opt in without needing to wait for someone to gift a membership. I encourage you to go ahead and take care of that ASAP on any channel you'd like to be a member of. For this method, you'll view the chat section and click on the currency symbol, then select the membership option. Afterwards, you'll see a new window populate and you'll want to click the 3 vertical dots next to the X in the upper right corner. Upon doing so, you'll want to select the gift settings option and then toggle to opt in for that channel. If there's a gift membership currently available in the queue, it'll award it to you at this point. If not, you'll be in consideration each time going forward that someone does gift a membership. If you receive a gifted membership and decide to join on your own, you'll still receive the full benefit of the gift until it expires. That's all for this video, but if you'd like to learn more about purchasing gifted memberships, I've created a tutorial for that as well. Thank you for watching and take care.